Imagine unlocking a superpower that could transform your productivity, your success, and your life. It's not about working harder, hustling more, or waking up at 5 a.m. It's about focus, the rarest and most valuable skill in today's world. Distraction isn't just an inconvenience. It's a billion-dollar industry designed to steal your attention, and we're all falling for it. But if you can take back your focus, even for 1 hour a day, you can outpace weeks of multitasking and finally make real progress on the life you want to create. Focus isn't magic, but it feels like it when you do it right. It's not reserved for geniuses or the ultra-disciplined. It's a skill anyone can build. This video will show you how to reclaim your attention, outsmart distractions, and turn focus into your personal superpower. Why focus can change your life. How many times have you sit down to work, fully intending to knock out that important task? 5 minutes in and notification buzzes. Then you think, I'll just check Instagram for a second. 2 hours later, you're down a rabbit hole of cat videos and memes, and that task? Still sitting there, untouched. It's not just you. The world is designed to steal your focus, and it's working. In today's hyper-connected world, your attention is the most valuable commodity. Companies spend billions perfecting algorithms to keep you hooked. Every app, notification, and pop-up is designed to distract, overwhelm, and frankly, exhaust your brain. It's no wonder concentration feels like a distant dream. While most people let their focus get hijacked, those who learn to reclaim it unlock something incredible. The ability to deeply concentrate on one meaningful task, just one, can spark more progress than weeks of half-hearted multitasking. Imagine 1 hour of pure, undistracted effort toward a goal. That's enough time to outline a business plan, crush a workout, or learn a new skill. Consistently doing this, that's how you close the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. The rarest superpower today isn't wealth, fame, or even genius. It's the ability to show up fully for what you want. Focus isn't just a skill, it's a declaration. It's about taking control over what matters to you without letting anything distract you from it. This superpower isn't reserved for the elite. It's not reserved for the super people of this world. It's not dependent on your circumstances, intelligence, or resources. It's a skill you can build, starting right now. The key is understanding how to outsmart the distractions designed to derail you. So, how do you do it? 3 areas of focus. Reclaiming your focus isn't about sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop chanting for hours. It's about designing your life to make focus natural, even easy. Crafting a focused environment. Your environment is either your biggest ally or your sneakiest enemy. You sit down at a cluttered desk. There's a coffee mug from 3 days ago, random papers, maybe a half-eaten snack. What's the mind thinking now? Chaos and mess? That's exactly what your actions end up being as well. So declutter and organize with purpose. A focused environment is one where everything in your space serves the task at hand. Working on a big project? Only tools for that project should be in arm's reach. Create zones in your home, a desk for work, a couch for relaxation, a bed for sleep. When each space has a clear purpose, your brain switches gears effortlessly. Don't forget about ambient distractions. They're the sneakiest of them all. Background noise, poor lighting, and even your chair's comfort can disrupt your focus. Optimize your workspace. Think noise-canceling headphones, natural light, and ergonomic seating. These small tweaks set the stage for focus to flow. Optimizing your digital world. Your phone is a little thief when it comes to focus. Notifications, endless scrolling, and autoplay videos? They're like candy for your brain. Addictive, but ultimately empty. To really make an impact towards focus, go nuclear on distractions. Delete apps that waste time and turn off all non-essential notifications. Access social media or entertainment apps only through a browser. This simple change forces you to pause and reconsider if you want to go through the extra effort to just watch a bunch of meaningless stuff. If this is too extreme, instead make technology work for you. Use focus apps to block distractions or set time limits on apps that tend to suck you in. Even something as simple as using YouTube's distraction-free mode can shift your habits. The goal isn't to ditch tech. It's to use it intentionally in a way that serves your focus. Instead of mindlessly consuming whatever an algorithm serves you, choose content that aligns with your goals. Training your mind. Finally, let's talk about the most important and trickiest focus zone: your mind. Building focus is like training a muscle. You wouldn't expect to deadlift 300 pounds on day one, so don't expect to dive into hours of deep work right away. Start small. Set aside just 1 hour a day to focus on your most important task. During that time, eliminate distractions, turn off notifications, and commit fully. Over time, you'll notice your ability to concentrate, grow stronger, and you can gradually increase the length and intensity of your focus sessions. But focus isn't just for work. You need it for rest too. Intentional relaxation, like playing a video game guilt-free or chatting with a friend, recharges your mental battery. The key is to fully engage in whatever you're doing, whether it's work or play. Half working and half resting does neither well. Focus isn't about perfection. It's about intention. When you approach every task, whether it's writing a report or binge watching your favorite show, with purpose, you take control of your time and energy. By focusing on these 3 areas, you create a foundation where your concentration can thrive. Your environment supports your goals, your digital world respects your boundaries, and your mindset equips you to handle anything life throws your way. Now that you've got the blueprint to build focus, it's time to put it into practice. Because knowing what to do is one thing, but doing it? That's where change resides. So carve out 1 hour tomorrow, just one. Block it off like it's a meeting with your future self. During that hour, choose the most important task on your to-do list. The one that, if completed, will bring you closer to the life you want. Before you start, set yourself up for success. Declutter your workspace, silence your notifications, and tell anyone who might interrupt you that this hour is sacred. Then commit. No excuses, no distractions. Just pure, focused energy aimed at that one task. It's not about getting it perfect. Your mind might wander, you might catch yourself reaching for your phone. That's okay. The goal isn't to be flawless. It's to notice when you slip and gently bring your attention back to what matters. Once the hour's up, take a moment to reflect. How did it feel to give your full attention to something meaningful? What did you accomplish in that time? You'll probably find that one focused hour was more productive and fulfilling than an entire day of multitasking. Build on this habit. Add a few minutes the next day, and the day after that. Over time, you'll strengthen your focus muscle and discover that you're capable of more than you ever imagined. The life you want is within reach. It's not about waiting for motivation to strike or hoping the distractions disappear. It's about choosing to show up for yourself, one intentional hour at a time. So start tomorrow. Commit to that 1 hour. Then, come back and share your progress in the comments. What did you work on? How did it feel? Your story might inspire someone else to take their first step too. You have the power to reclaim your focus, transform your habits, and design a life you love. The question is, will you take the first step, or will you stay on your phone watching more videos? Be sure to subscribe, and if you want to understand the mindsets that hold you back from progress, watch this video right here.